How is it possible to achieve your goals in your 20s to make $2, $3, $5, $10,000 each month and to actually live the life you want? And when you break your goals down in terms of how do I achieve certain things, what do I need to do, and then you exclude everything and you just focus on these terms for a couple of years, I promise you will reach your goals. And in this video, I will go over how I achieved my goals in my 20s. I don't want to brag. I don't want to say that I'm done with my life, but I just wanted to share the perspective because I had a call with a student of ours where he had a goal to move to a certain place, but he never broken down specifically what to do to reach his goal. And it's so funny to me. You all have these goals to achieving certain things in your life, and you want to make $10,000 per month. You want to move to Dubai. You want to live in a different country, or you want to drive this specific car, but you never really broken down what do you need to do to actually achieving this life, to actually attracting this into your life. And let's pick the goal, for example, to make $10,000 per month, because most of you have this goal and you probably never broken it down. Okay, you maybe you've broken it down in terms of okay, how much do I need to make per client, but not even most of you guys never even did this. So what do you need to do to actually make $10,000 per month online in your 20s? So first of all, you should make at least the double for your clients in any niche with any service. So when you make other people more money online, is it through SMMA, certain things, through Facebook ads, Google ads, optimizing the landing pages, yada yada yada, whatsoever, video editing, YouTube agency, whatsoever. If you make the business more money than you take, this is the first priority. When you cannot guarantee a return of investment for your clients, then you should prioritize this point and focus on this point. But how to break down the second step to actually make $10,000 per month? When you then can guarantee one result for one certain niche, then you should understand how to get more of these clients. And this is a very simple step because they're only different. There's a max, or there's a specific number of appointment setters, kind of how you can get more clients into your calendar and then close them. And then you focus on one of them, for example, cold outreach. And then you tweak and test and everything. And then you just need to understand how many messages do I need to send out? What's the conversion rate? And then it's just very simple math of this many messages, this many answers, this many meeting booked, this many meeting show up rate, this many meetings closed. And then you have a number of clients, how many you need to have. So just reverse engineer this, and then you just have the number and what you need to work on. And the next step and whatever is the next problem is the next task you need to work on. So when you start at the core and you cannot promise somebody a return of investment, then you should start there and be better in your core, in your service. Offer it for somebody for free. It's the best thing you can go for. And then develop your skill and go for it. It's very simple. When another human you put on a pedestal can achieve results for other clients on this planet, then you can do it too. You are a human. You are capable of using the same tools if you really want to. It's very, very, very simple. So coming back to the $10,000 per month, calculate how many messages, for example, when we pick cold outreach, you need to send out, how many meetings then you get booked, and how many you close, and then just optimize this route and focus literally on this one path. When you're at the beginning, most probably you have 1,000 ideas, and you could also make more money in the same niche with this and here and software and whatsoever. But focus on this one thing and make it great. Focus on this one marketing offer for this one specific niche and just go for it. And just make a lot of outreach and just get a lot of meetings and get a lot of knowledge and just stick to this one niche and scale it to $10,000 per month. You literally just need, for example, if you can get your clients in the investment niche, okay? If you can get them one client per month and they make 20 grand from this client, you can charge $3,000 very, very easily. Even when you only every second month get them a client, they still make a profit. So you only need 3-4 clients to make 10 grand. Be better at the service, get more clients, have an amazing fulfillment, and charge $10,000 per month and live the life you want to live. It's very simple. When you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you are an agency owner and you want to get more clients booked into your calendar to make $10,000 per month, then there's a video for you down below. First link in the description. When not, that's also fine for me. And yeah, we will see each other either on a meeting or in the next video.